Okay, not including paperwork, I got 2 sets of dog tags. Here's the entire ruck system, and that includes the 2 sustainment pouches. The entrenching tool is later on the packing list, but I already got it connected. ACH, 7 of the pads. You have to have 7, and I brought 1 extra of this square one and that one because you will get a negative spot. I got obviously my iPro. This is a Pell approved cat eyes, and I got some extra ear pro in here as well with the case. Here I got my tap system, and then I just routed this through here once with these 3 mag pouches. So there's 2 of those. I got my M4 double mags, 3 of them, and I route those together just so I'm not digging around everywhere looking for it. I put my canteens in the cover, and right here I got my 2 grenade pouches, and then they're routed to my flashbang pouch. This is one of those optional items, your butt pack, so I'm definitely bringing mine. I got 7 M4 mags, my compass, which I got loom taped up. Most of my stuff I have named or loom taped somewhere, and I just got this girth hitched to here. Now I got 2-quart canteen and cover. It's my hydration system. Yeah, you got your lightweight and midweight drawers, tops. Here are all the gloves in the 2 gaiters. So I brought 2 extra pairs of combat gloves. That's at Sapper School. I got a negative spot because I lost a pair of gloves. I actually didn't lose them, but I just couldn't find them fast enough. So I don't want to make that mistake again. So here's your mittens, your inserts, and here's your cold weather gloves. Those are your work. I think these are the leather work gloves. These are your flight ones, the intermediate cold, I think. And there's the combat gloves that I intend to be wearing. Overshoes. So these are like 2 sizes larger. I don't know if they have to be 2 sizes larger. They might be too big. But these winter boots will definitely fit into it. I think the packing list calls for 200 grams minimum insulate, but I mean, these are, what are these ones here? Yeah, I think a lot of people get them. Extreme cold weather. They seem to check out on the spec, so I went ahead and got a pair of those. There's my poncho, and then I don't know if I'm backwards here or not, but sleeping system liner. What, I don't remember what that's called. Poncho liner, I think. Wet weather top, wet weather bottom, and I don't know. It doesn't say layer 7 on these, but it does say extreme cold wet weather. So, and so does that one. So I feel pretty confident those are going to work. I'm not going to take these out. This is my winter sleeping bag and my summer, and the large stuff sack, small stuff sack, which I intend to put my poncho in, and then my Wooby or your bivy cover, 2 patrol caps, ranks off, and the cat eyes. I think it'll tell you on the packing list exactly how to space them. I just had someone at the sew shop do those to specs. All my stuff is sewed on for my uniform. So there's 4 blouses. And the same, this is something that I wish I had done before. And it's just to get my name sewn onto those trousers. When everyone's fighting for the laundry room, it's going to be nice to have that. There's 7 of these. Every single one of these. Well, yeah, I think I got this. So this is like it's like a wash-proof. I got these on Amazon. If anyone wants, you can just put in the comments, and I can tell you where to get them from. But you're supposed to be able to wash those, and they stay on. So this is one of my most expensive items. So several pairs of Darn Tough at different weights, mid-weight, heavy duty. Then I got Fox Rivers. I've had these a long time. I got plenty of those. I have extra nightcaps. So I actually have 2 extra nightcaps. I don't want to be that guy who missed them. So I talked to an RI that I went through Sapper School with, and he did tell me that the boots that you're wearing are going to count. So you're supposed to bring 2 wet weather boots, or 2 hot weather boots, excuse me. That's my entire APFT uniform, so you guys should know what comes in that. I got 1 extra pair of the PT socks, so there's 3. That look like the exact same belt that they had, but it's supposed to be yellow for sure. And there's the beanie. Running shoes, Ear Pro. I got 2 protractors in here. One of these is really nice. I think I got it from Amazon as well. And I intend to come back and actually put tape around the numbers on these. But this is a pretty good one. It's pretty thick. So there's actually 3 in there. And I got a little red lens light. So, I don't know. I got the headlamps too. 12 razor blades, matte markers. These are super fine. So they'll have the S on it and they work really well. Camo sticks, so both ends have a different color. Here's your sew on name tapes. I have not, so you only have to bring these if you did not sew them onto, it's your ruck, your assault pack, your camelback, and I think your taps or your flick. I think it's just taps though, I'm not sure. 2 wet weather bags, canteen cup, sleeping mat, elbow pads, and then I have the Arc'teryx knee pads. From what I understand, as long as I have the same set, that's fine. There's a packing list says something about acceptable alternates. I know a bunch of guys that went to Ranger School and used those Arc'teryx. 2 rows of electrical tape, civilian clothes with a jacket. I just got a thin jacket because I don't want a ton of extra space taken up. I got my weapons cleaning kit. So you're supposed to have 4 of these, and I have, or maybe it's 3, but I have 4, and there's 2 on those duffels. AAA battery, AA batteries. I have 3 headlamps. Don't judge me. That's the last thing I want to lose. I got loom tape. Sorry, you guys got to see my feet. That's 300 feet of 550 cord. Here's all my pens and pencils. There's, I think, some extra, it's like extra markers and stuff in there. My notebooks, there's 4 in here. They're all Right in the Rain. Sewing kit, I got that off Amazon. That was a good find. I got this as well. This is my hygiene kit, but I went ahead and started taking stuff out. So shaving cream, toothbrush. Man, look at those nasty things. So towel, there's 2 of them. This is the microfiber. This is awesome. I love these. They dry super quick. And I got 2 washcloths. There's your laundry detergent, shower shoes, soap, 100-mile-an-hour tape. I'm wearing a watch, but I intend to bring an extra watch because I have had one break on me before, and I really might even bring 2. I'm kind of on the fence about it. I got my duffel bags. I put my name on the outside of them on that little tag, and laundry bag. So after that, I'm going to grab this. Hey. After that, I'm going to show you guys some of the extra stuff. If I didn't, there's the assault pack. So I'm bringing dude wipes. I'm bringing what extra I have of loom tape. I don't intend to use a lot of it, but I know it comes in handy. I got Moleskin, which I also have in my hygiene kit. I got field wipes, Working Hands. Working Hands is the best. I just can't recommend that stuff enough. Shaving cream, more travel size stuff. Another extra deodorant. I don't expect them to tell me I can't bring this stuff or keep it in here, but that might happen. I do intend to add some Ziploc bags. I haven't done that yet. And then in here, this is just my terrain model kit. It's pretty simple. I wouldn't recommend anybody bring a ton. I mean, I don't know, I haven't been to Ranger School, but I know at Sapper School, everybody brought a terrain model kit. And so we just compiled it. And like I brought just this obnoxious sized one. And this is just some of the basic stuff. It's pretty small. We got insoles. All my boots have insoles like this, the Easy Feet. Smoker's jacket. I have been told you can bring that. So I'm going to be starting in February, so definitely want it. Ranger panties, and so what I understand is they can't say spandex on them. If they say Spanx anywhere, so these ones here, I don't know, but they don't say spandex, so I'm kind of risking it, I guess. Now there's my other watch. Okay, I could bring that. I got knives in here, and I got a Gerber. So this is just going to be my little MRE knife, and this is my Gerber knife, and then an actual Gerber. I'm bringing this too, and that's just to keep in my pocket, and when it really sucks, just to look at it and just be like, this is why I'm here. It's kind of something a lot bigger than myself, and to be part of the group of guys and girls that go to this school and finish and get this tab is pretty awesome. So I know this is something I did for Sapper School. I had a Sapper tab, and this was actually given to me from one of my Ranger buddies at Sapper School, and he was like, when you go to Ranger School, I want you to, slap this on. So I've held on to this for like 4 years, just put it in a little drawer. So that, and whatever you need because I know it's the colored stuff for graduation. So if you got one of these, or your unit stuff, or like Air Assault badge or airborne or anything like that, you probably want to bring that too. I'm sure you'll get the chance to purchase it. But so that's everything. If you see anything that seems weird, or you think I'm missing anything, please let me know. Thanks for watching.